let's go to Carlisle Truck Nationals. But first, we got to make a pit stop and hook up with a couple fellas so we could convoy down to Carlisle, PA, and then we're going to meet up with Skyjacker. So wait till you see who we're going to meet up with. We are off the side here on 81 off of one of these exits, and we are hooked up with a couple other fellas here. But we do have the show truck here with us, and I don't want to get run over. And we got the Jeep with us. So, but let me show you guys who we got here with us. And while I'm walking down to them, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted, because we are going to be doing many videos of the Carlisle Truck National. So, but here we have Pete here, but they're on the other side, so let me go get them. And here we have Pete in his OBS Chevy here with us, and we have Frank with Buford. And Buford, Frank, what'd you do to Buford this year?
Well, we painted it this year and got the stereo situated and everything like that in it. So basically just paint, cleaned it up, some powder coating, and a new rear steer put on by Dale Staggerwald. Okay, so we hooked up with these guys. And Pete, what did you do anything special to yours this year?
I took fender flares off. There used to be the wide fender flares, so more of the original look, which I like more now. So,
and at this time, I'd like to congratulate Pete and his wife on their newborn. So they have a new addition, and they got a lot of responsibilities ahead of them. So we're going to get on the road, and I'll meet you guys down at the Carlisle fairgrounds. We're here at a rest stop. As you see, we drove through some rain. I tried to get a little clip of the video of us going through the rain, but now we stopped off at a rest area. But I think I forgot to show you what we got with us, the other guy's truck. So like I says, we have the Cummins here with us with our 2nd gen Ram. And then we have the Jeep that you see on the channel. And then this is Pete's. And then I'm going to take you around and show Frank's build. It is called Buford. And then we're getting back on the road, and we are out of here. So let me take you guys over here. He's over here somewhere. We got Buford. So we're getting ready to load it back up here and get on the highway. We're not too far from the fairgrounds now at this point. We just needed to take a little break here, get regrouped from the rain, and we'll see you guys at the fairgrounds. Here at the Carlisle Truck Nationals in Carlisle, PA. And if you've never been to this, definitely check this out. But we got the truck all unstrapped, and we are going to unload it. And I got to find Roger from Skyjacker, because we are going to put the truck in the booth. So I'll check you out then. truck all set up down here in the Skyjacker booth, and we're gonna go for a little cruise around the grounds here just to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes and all the different vendors that are setting up. But like I said, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if you guys go to skyjacker.com and use discount code wicked_Fabz10, you'll also get an additional 10% off your online order. So definitely check that out. Or if you happen to be down in the show here, check out here. They do good show deals. So, like I said, we got the Jeep here, and we also have the 5th Gen Cummins down here with us. And we're gonna go for a little cruise around and show you guys a little bit of what's going on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you here at the end.
everybody. Looking good.
Hope my parole. a little drive around. And while driving around, and look who I found. I found Boost Auto down here at the Carlisle Truck Nationals. I had to get out of the vehicle and say hi to Gino and the guys. They are setting up. But we're definitely going to put them in some of the later videos that we have going on down here with the show. So I'm going to touch base with them and say hi to them because I haven't seen them since the Atlantic City truck meet. And then let them finish setting up. So like I said, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Check out all the links in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video.